Good morning, students. Today we will study class third, chapter number third, and topics are cropping a picture and deleting a picture. In our last topic, in our last class, we have completed up to selecting a picture, and we have selected a picture also. Only one topic because it is very lengthy. So in last class we have completed only one. Now in this we will complete up a cropping a picture, and second is deleting a picture. If you want to crop any picture or if you want to delete any picture, then what you have to do when you are working on paint or when you are playing on paint. Most of the students want to play on paint and work on paint. So let me firstly we will open paint. Here you can see the paint has been open here. Let me draw a picture first. Firstly I am drawing the picture. You can see how I can making a picture here. These all are pictures. After that you have to, when you draw all picture which you want, then you have to, let me color it also. First I am coloring this picture. You can see how the pictures are being colored here by using a different color. This is the way you can color. If you want to color your background, then select a color from here and you can color also in many different colors. This is very attractive color, so I have selected a dark red. Now what is our topic? Our topic is, if number one is cropping a picture. If you want to crop, the crop option in the image group is used to keep the selected part of a picture and delete the remaining picture from the drawing. जो क्रॉपिंग है वो हमारा सेलेक्टेड पार्ट ही हम उसमें से रख सकते हैं, बाकी जो हमारी क्रॉपिंग्स होती हैं वो जो और पिक्चर रहेगी वो डिलीट हो जाएगी. फर्स्टली व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, यू हैव टू गो ऑन सेलेक्ट ऑप्शन. this one option you have to click here, then you have to click on selection option. When you are clicking on selection option, then you can see click on select. After that click on select all. select all पे आपको क्लिक करना है. then you can see crop, resize and rotate. click on crop. आप जब crop पे क्लिक कर देंगे, जो भी इमेज आपको चाहिए, suppose I am selecting this one image. I have selected this image and this image will be cropped from here, the image which is selected. I have selected this also. Okay, the image is selected, and now this one cloud, I am selecting cloud. This is the way you can select. The cloud has been selected. Drag the pointer to select the, firstly what you have to do, click on the drop down arrow. Where I have told you have to click on this one. Click on drop down arrow under select. Click on the type of selection you want to make. First you have to, then you have click on type of selection. Now second is drop the pointer to select the part of picture. That's why I am dropping the part of picture. The picture which I have selected, it will be cropped. Okay, it will be cropped from here. This you can see this one, and drop the pointer. Suppose that I am selecting a star, you have to select a star like this. Drop the pointer and now click on the crop option on the image group. You have to click on crop option. See, the image has been cropped and other images is deleted. आप देख रहे हैं, you can see the all the image has been deleted from here and only the cropped image is shown to you in your screen. Now to save the cropped picture as a new file, click on the paint button. If you want to save this picture in a file, what you have to do, click here this option. Okay, you can see paste and this option you have to click here. Then you can go on save as. After that save as, click on desktop. डेस्कटॉप के बाद जो भी आपकी ये पिक्चर को आप नेम देना चाहते हैं, सपोज दैट आई एम गिविंग हियर द नेम इज न्यू पिक. I am giving here new pic. Then click on new pic. Click here new pic. Click on save. Your picture has been saved to desktop, you can see it is a new pic. See, the picture is coming here when you have the picture you have cropped. Okay, this is the way you can crop any picture in a Paint when you are working on Paint. Now our second topic is deleting a picture. Deleting a picture, to select a delete tool as a delete option. The delete option remove the selected part of a picture, the drawing area as shown. Okay, first same process you have to do. You have to click here, then go on Paint, draw a picture as soon as possible. See, I am drawing a picture one by one. Selecting option, I have draw a picture here, then this, after that this arrow, this star, and color it. Okay, select a color from here. See how I am coloring the all picture here. And color also a background. अगर आपको background भी color करना है, you can use a color also. Okay, suppose that I am selecting this color, I have colored by this. I am selecting green, then see green. Okay, red is very dark and looking great. Okay, so I have made a picture. Then what you have to do, click on a drop down arrow under select, choose a selection. Same process you have to do. You have to click here on select. After that you have to do on select all. Where you have to click, you have to click a select all, then drop down option, select all. Firstly you have to select a part of picture you want to remove. Now you have to select a part of picture you want to remove. जो भी पिक्चर आपको इसमें से रिमूव करनी है वो आपको सेलेक्ट करनी है बाय यूजिंग अ क्रॉप ऑप्शन. आप क्रॉप ऑप्शन से इसको, suppose that I have selected this one part, I have to remove this. I have selected, then click on select, and you have simply what you have to do, delete. See, the part has been deleted. Okay, the part has been deleted from your picture. Now what you are doing here, again click on the drop down arrow under the select and click on the delete option to delete the selected part. Okay, sorry, the selected tool has a delete option. जो हमारा यहाँ पे ये जो selected tool है, this selected tool has a delete option here, but it will only work when you are selecting any picture. Suppose that I have selected, I am selecting crop, then I have selected this picture also. I want to delete this one also. Then you have selected, then go on select and use delete. The picture has been deleted from here. Now what you have to do, your both the topics has been completed. Okay, your both topic, number one cropping a picture and number second deleting a picture, both the topics have been completed. You have to read this chapter, and I am giving you the homework also on page number 37. Listen it very carefully. On page number 37 there are only 3 true false given to you. You have to do by your own, otherwise I will provide you the worksheet also, and you can do these 3 true false from the worksheet also. Read this chapter very carefully, all topics, and if anybody has the desktop or laptop in their home, you can practice it also. Thank you and have a nice day.